6 months. That's all it takes to completely change the direction of your life. Not 10 years, not someday, just 6 focused months. Right now, you might feel like you're starting from zero, maybe after a failed business, a job loss, a breakup, or simply realizing you wasted years drifting. But here's the truth most people never hear. Starting from zero can be the most powerful position in life, because when you have nothing to protect, you're finally free to build something real. Researchers at the Stanford University studying habit formation found that small, consistent behavioral changes compound dramatically over time. In fact, a 2020 behavioral science review showed that daily microactions can rewire routines and identity within months. 6 months isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Month 1 is chaos. You're rebuilding discipline, waking up earlier, moving your body, clearing mental fog. Month 2, you start learning skills, books, ideas that shift how you think. Month 3, you begin executing. You launch something small, apply for opportunities, take risks you once avoided. By month 4, people start noticing something different about you. Confidence, not because life got easier, but because you kept showing up. Month 5 is where compounding begins. The skills stack, the habits stabilize, the excuses disappear. And by month 6, you're not the same person who started. History is full of people who rebuilt everything in short bursts of relentless focus. J.K. Rowling wrote the first Harry Potter manuscript while unemployed and struggling financially. Steve Jobs returned to Apple and transformed the company within a few years after being fired. Their advantage wasn't luck. It was commitment during the rebuild phase. The truth is, 6 months of focused effort can outperform 6 years of distraction. But most people never test this. They quit in week 3. They doubt themselves in month 2. They give up before momentum begins. If you're starting from zero today, remember this. You're not late. You're not broken. You're simply at the beginning of your rebuild. And 6 months from now, your life could look completely different if you start today. If this message found you at the moment you needed it, don't let it pass you by. Subscribe to Aura Sparks and commit to becoming the person your next 6 months deserve. And in the comments, write one was rebuild. Your future starts with that decision.